Good afternoon, Amy. Concord police have now released the identity of the man who was found dead on the railroad tracks Saturday morning. According to authorities, the body of Sean Milligan, a 49-year-old homeless man, was discovered around 11:45 a.m. Officers were eventually called to the tracks for a report of a man who had been struck and killed by a train. However, an initial investigation suggests he actually died the previous evening. An autopsy was scheduled for Monday and the investigation is ongoing. Reporting live here outside the Concord Police Department, I'm Riley King for WMUR News 9. Amy, back over to you.